Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. Now, when you think of a spiritual path, do you think like mystic, saint, and extremism? But you know what? We all have our own spiritual path, and it's different for everybody. So this video today is how to awaken your spiritual path. I'm going to talk a little bit about it, and then I'm going to go over 3 different things that you could institute today. Now, my channel is here to help you navigate life's ups and downs, which it all has for all of us. So if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. But let's go ahead and get started on how to awaken your spiritual path. So when we talk about our spiritual path, it can take many different forms. Of course, we have the gods, the goddesses, and like I discussed, the saints and the mystics. But your spiritual path can also be one of compassion, generosity, love, giving. It's all different for everybody, and we're at all different levels of it. But why do we want a spiritual path? Because our spiritual path raises our consciousness, and it goes to a deeper consciousness, a deeper peace. It gets us in touch with our inner self. Because we have our outer self in the material world, but that's like sand on a beach. The wind blows, crisis comes, and boom, it could be gone. But when you have the inner peace, the higher consciousness, and reach that, no matter what comes in your life, it could be all tumbling on down, but that strength, that foundation will be there for you. So again, it's so many different paths to this, but you can awaken yours and little by little get in touch with it because it's already there for you. And sometimes we have hints and glimpses of it. Have you ever thought about somebody and then they call you? That's your deepest consciousness. Have you ever thought of a loved one and really feel their presence, a loved one that has passed over, and you really feel their presence? How about an aha moment sometimes, clarity? How about inspiration for a project, and all of a sudden it just came? How about you have a problem and it just seems to be solved like a miracle? These are the glimpses and hints of your higher consciousness. So it's there. You don't, like I said, you don't have to be a saint or a mystic. It is there for all of us to touch. But you can try getting in touch with it better by these 3 things. These are the 3 things I want you to do. And in order to do this, you have to have faith. You have to have an open mind. You have to be optimistic. And you have to let fear go. You have to trust that this power is there for you. Just like I just told my brain, raise my hand. Now, I didn't have to think about that. I knew and had faith it would happen. Well, it's the same thing with your inner self, your higher consciousness. You have to trust and believe that it is there for you to access. So what are the 3 ways? The first, in order to do this, just spend a few minutes every day working on it. It could be a few minutes in meditation, reading something inspirational, studying some deity, time in nature, prayer, journaling, self-contemplation. It's just spending a few minutes each day trying to get in touch. And again, this is a process. What I do is going to be different than what you do, but find something and give yourself that gift of a few minutes every single day. The second is be generous of spirit. Be generous of spirit. We tend to kind of pull back sometime. But starting today, I want you to do something for somebody. Be generous, be compassionate, be loving. Do something kind. Reach out to somebody. Maybe a phone call, a letter, an email. Open the door for somebody. Smile at a stranger. Be generous of your spirit, and your spirit will open up more and more. So set an intention today to do something kind and generous to somebody. The third, let it be. I gave the description of your arm, and it's the same. Trust in your higher consciousness that is connected with infinite intelligence. So trust in it and believe that what you want will come into being. And if it doesn't, then this too shall pass. This too shall pass. So today I want you to set an intention. Set an intention for something you want. Now, if it doesn't come about, that's okay. Let it be. Shrug it off and then set another one. And over time, what you're doing is you're reprogramming the pathways in your brain. And over time, your intentions will materialize quicker and quicker. But you have to start somewhere. Now, if you're having trouble with any of this stuff, write to me in the comments and I'll give you some more suggestions. And again, I am so grateful for all my subscribers and anybody who is watching my videos. I'm sending you lots of love and light, and I'll see you next week.